Today we are discussing class 8th geography. It is soils and their formation and degradation. So first, let's start with the definition of soils. Soil is the mixture of rock debris and organic materials which develop on the earth's surface, and there could be various factors affecting the formation of soil, like it could be climate, vegetation, and other life forms and time. Human activities also influence it to a large extent. Soil has various components, like it could have minerals, water, or air trapped in it, and the actual amount of each of these depend upon the soil type of the soil. Some soils are deficient in one or more of these, while there are some others that have varied combinations. If you have ever dug a pit, you would see that it has various colors, various different colors from the top to the bottom. These layers, which are called horizons, horizon A is the topmost zone where organic materials have got incorporated with the mineral matter, nutrients, and water, which are necessary for the growth of plants. Horizon B is a transition zone between the horizon A and horizon C, and contains matter derived from below as well as from above, and it has some organic matter in it, although the mineral matter is noticeably weathered. And horizon C it is composed of the loose parent material. This layer is the first stage in the soil formation process and eventually forms the above two layers. As you can see in the picture, at the bottom there is a weathered rock which is going through the weathering process. Then there is zone of accumulation and leaching, and finally there are soil horizons which contain all the life. Now we will discuss the factors that affect soil formation. First, that affects the soil formation is physical weathering. It is in the picture below. You can see physical weathering, that is breakdown of rocks due to temperature, abrasion, or frost. And the second factor that affects formation of soils is chemical weathering. Here you can see in the limestone landscape, it is due to the change in the chemical makeup of the rocks, and minerals within the rocks react with water, air, or other chemicals, and the rocks finally break down and form into a soil. And biological weathering, as you can see in the picture below, trees and grasses growing out of rocks. This is breakdown by living things like plants and burrowing animals or roots that grow into the cracks of rocks. So these three factors affect the formation of soils.